Hello and welcome to Web Learning where knowledge is shared. If you remember this design, this is the QC charger that I built a few years ago because I couldn't find anywhere a charger that has 3 outputs and all of them are quick charge. So this was the first version. You will see the link up here in the top. And then I built this. Now apparently I already did this and I closed it and I have one PCB, but I'll leave a picture of the link to the PCB. But this is a 4 output PCB. All of them are QC3 and there is a DC jack in the back. I designed a 3D printed case. I already closed it. I cannot open it because I super glued some of it. So yeah, so it's working really great. I don't have another PCB to show you. I made also the charger for the car. This is just a simple charger with an on-off switch, and I took a plug. Now it's really important when you use a plug, take the ones that have like springs inside. I used a different one, this one. I used this one. It just didn't work. I had to wiggle it inside for it to work. So I found this connector that I have, and it works much better. So you only need to plug it in the back, and that's it. If you don't have a 3D printer, you can always use it as it is. Just put some Kapton tape around it or something. I have a big Kapton tape that you can just wrap it. It should work as long as you don't throw it out anything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button.